Good morning, Donites. Today is Wednesday, 1st of September 2021. Let's start the morning assembly with a song.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.
Hello everyone, I am Rishu, class teacher of class 1. Today I am going to elaborate a word which is frequently used in our day to day life. The word is please. We can also call it a magic word. We say please to make a polite request. For example, can I borrow your phone? This is a normal request. This is not polite. So we have the word please to make it polite. Can I borrow your phone, please? Brush your teeth. Here we are telling someone to do something, but this is not very polite. Please brush your teeth. Give me the keys, or please give me the keys. Shut the door, or please shut the door. So, children, learn a new word every day to enhance your vocabulary. Thank you.
Children, remember that there are lots of people who care for you, your parents, grandparents, and friends. No matter how many people we love, there is always more love in our hearts. Love is endless to receive and endless to give. Someone may look different than us, such as being a different age, speaking a different language, or having a disability. But we love every person because each of us is special. We should love ourselves and each other, whether we are happy or sad. And be patient, forgiving, even when someone makes a mistake. We can show love to everyone and everything around us by looking out for what each person or thing needs to be happy and healthy. Thank you.